Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, despite the fact that Delhi is not a full state, I would like to present some statistics on the economic position of Delhi. The gross state domestic product (GSDP) of Delhi in 2018-19 is likely to grow at the rate of 12.98% over previous year, from rupees 6,90,098 crore to rupees 7,79,652 crore. At constant prices, Delhi's economy is expected to grow at the rate of 8.61% in 2018-19, whereas the all India growth rate is 7.2%. The annual average growth rate of GSDP in the last 4 years remains at 8.92%, which exhibits strong economic fundamentals of Delhi's economy. The per capita income of Delhi is estimated at rupees 3,65,529 in 2018-19, with an increase of 11% over the per capita income of rupees 3,28,985 in 2017-18. The per capita income of the state has gone up by 34% since our government came into power in 2015-16, when the per capita income was rupees 2,73,301. The per capita income of Delhi is about 3 times higher than the national average, which is estimated to be rupees 1,25,397 in 2018-19. The contribution of Delhi to the national GDP also increased from 97% in 2014-15 to 4.14% in 2018-19, though we are only 1.4% of the total population. Sir, the revised estimates for the current year 2018-19 is proposed at rupees 50,200 crore against the budget estimates BE approved at rupees 53,000 crore. The proposed revised estimates of rupees 50,200 crore are 22.66% higher than the amount of rupees 40,927 crore spent in 2017-18. The proposed revised estimates of rupees 50,200 crore includes rupees 39,894 crore for revenue expenditure and rupees 10,306 crore under capital expenditure. The capital expenditure increased from rupees 9,908 crore approved in budget estimates to rupees 10,306 crore in revised estimates 2018-19, which shows our commitment for development works and creation of more assets. The establishment expenditure and other committed liabilities is proposed to be increased from rupees 31,000 crore approved in BE to rupees 32,000 crore in revised estimates. This is mainly due to implementation of recommendations of the 5th Delhi Finance Commission for devolution of funds to the local bodies from the year 2016-17 onwards. The arrears for the year 2016-17 for East and North DMC have also been taken into account in RE 2018-19. The outlay under scheme projects is proposed at rupees 18,200 crore in RE 2018-19 against rupees 22,000 crore approved in BE. The revised estimate of rupees 18,200 crore is 28.25% higher than the expenditure of rupees 14,191 crore incurred in 2017-18 under scheme projects programs. Sir, through efficient fiscal management, we have kept our outstanding debt at rupees 33,569 crore in March 2018. The outstanding debt of Delhi has declined to 4.86% of GSDP in 2017-18 from 6.57% in 2014-15 when our government came to power. The debt GSDP ratio of Delhi is the lowest among all the states in the country. Sir, during the year 2018-19, supplementary demands for grant of rupees 9,982 crore will be required under supplementary demands in the revised estimates. I therefore seek the approval of the House for supplementary demands for grants. Budget estimates for 2019-20. Sir, prior to our government coming into power, the total expenditure of GNCTD was rupees 30,940 crore during 2014-15. I presented my first full budget in June 2015 with an estimated expenditure of rupees 37,750 crore. Year after year, we increased our budget by devising many new programs, projects, and schemes with focus on development of education, health, and urban services. Speaker Sir, with immense pleasure, I am now proposing the budget of rupees 60,000 crore for the year 2019-20, which is almost double the amount of expenditure of rupees 30,940 crore in 2014-15. It will be interesting to know that during all these 5 years, the budget for schemes, programs, and projects has increased substantially, which shows the emphasis of our government on developmental works and creation of capital assets. The per capita expenditure of Government of NCT of Delhi through budgetary transactions has increased from rupees 19,218 in 2015-16 to rupees 30,369 in 2019-20. The budget estimates of rupees 60,000 crore includes rupees 33,000 crore for establishment and other obligatory expenditure, rupees 27,000 crore for schemes, programs and projects. The budget estimates of rupees 60,000 crore includes rupees 44,781 crore under revenue and rupees 15,218 crore under capital outlay in 2019-20. The outlay in BE 2018-19 is rupees 9,908 crore under capital and rupees 43,092 crore under revenue. In BE 2019-20, the budget under capital has increased by 54%, whereas the revenue expenditure has only increased by 4% over BE 2018-19. Further, the proposed capital outlay of rupees 15,219 crore in 2019-20 is almost double of the capital expenditure of rupees 7,430 crore in 2014-15. The proposed budget of rupees 60,000 crore in 2019-20 is 13.21% higher over the BE of rupees 53,000 crore in 2018-19.